Hey Mr. Ullman, this is Jonas. I'm reporting on my quiz 2 for problem number 1. So let me get this started here. Alright, so just to go over my quiz real quickly here. Here's question number 1, 2, 3. And then I've also done the extra credit. So for the first one, to find the speed, what I did was, so I know that A1 V1 equals A2 V2, and since A1 equals A2, we can say that V1 equals V2, and the V1 is 3 meters per second. Sorry, so therefore, speed, the V2 is 3 meters per second at the right pipe. Then, using Bernoulli's equation, I have this set up here. So P1 plus PGH1 equals P2 PGH2. And from here, it's pretty much algebra. We're just going to isolate P2 or solve for P2, which we have here. And then once we have this set up, it's pretty much just plugging in what we know and what we have. So this is 5E5 for the pressure. The density of water is 1,000 kilogram per cubic meter. This is acceleration due to gravity. And then here, the left pipe is 1.5 meters up, and the right pipe is 3 meters. And that's where we get these here. Once we solve all of this, what we get is 4.853 E5. And the speed is 3 meters per second.